Welcome to Everything Cloud. In this video, we are going to discuss how to register EC2 instance with target group in application load balancer. To start, click EC2, click at application instant, select Amazon Linux AMI. You can select any AMI, but for this demo purpose, I am selecting Amazon Linux AMI. Click select. Leave the T2 micro storage. Configure the instant detail. Select the default VPC. If you have a different VPC where you have launched the load balancer, you can select that one. For my demo, I am selecting VPC as default. Select the subnet. Remaining you can leave as it is. Click next to add the storage. 8 GB is enough for this demo, so I am not doing anything on this. So click next to add the tag. Give the any name, tag name. I am giving web server. Then click next to configure security group. So be careful about to providing the security port number and protocol. Create a new security group. Add a rule. Select the HTTP because we are connecting from the outer world, and during the creation of load application load balancer we have opened the port HTTP port 80. In source, give the same security group which we have created in application load balancer. So I have created the security group for C5. So you can go back to your load balancer and you can check which security group and what is the name of that. Click next to review and launch. So from finally you can see the every detail you have provided to launch the app EC2. So I am satisfied with this detail. So clicking next and launch. So here to connect with SSH to log in your EC2, you can create a new key pair or you can use the existing key pair. So I already have web server key pair, so I am not connecting, I am not creating any new key pair. I acknowledged the access, launched the instant. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to launch it. So I have already running instant, so I can give the name for this web server 1. So I can use this web instant to further instruction. So go to your load balancer. Where you can see all your running load balancer. So you can select any of them through which you can connect to the outer network. To attach your EC2 with your load balancer, click target group. Select one of the load balancer where you want to get register your EC2 instant. I am selecting one of them. Then you can check the security group from the load balancer. Next is targets. Click at target. Then click edit. From here you can you can register the EC2 instant. So this first one is the running, so I am selecting this one, web server, then add to registered, and on the port 80. Otherwise you can give the other port for the different EC2 instant. So for right now I am leaving at 80 port number, then save it. I think not got registered. I can repeat once again. Click, I forget to click add to registered. So your name will be display here. The running instant name will be display here. Then save it. So at initial, the status of the running application for the application load balancer will be initial. So it will be take around a minute or less than minute to get a healthy status. See, within 30 seconds you will get a status healthy. Now you have seen how to register your EC2 instant with your application load balancer. Now you can remove your instant from the application load balancer by doing the same. Again go to target, edit, click on that same registered instant, remove it and save. This is enough for this class. Next class we will discuss about auto scaling. Thank you. You can follow me at Everything Cloak. Don't forget to subscribe it, share it and like it. Keep learning.